ಎಡಾ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕೊರಮಂಗಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಭವ್ಯ ಆರಂಭ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ನೈಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಸಂಚಲನ. ಮುಂಬೈನ ನೈಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ನು ಹೊಸ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಮರುಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿದ ಎಡಾ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇದೀಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕೊರಮಂಗಲದಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಹೊಸ ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಭವ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದೆ. ತನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಕ್ ವಾತಾವರಣ, ಇಮ್ಮರ್ಸಿವ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಹೈ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅನುಭವಗಳಿಂದ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾದ ಈ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಭಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಅನ್ಲಾಕ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪ್ರವೇಶಿಸಿದೆ. ಈ ವಿಸ್ತರಣೆ ರಾಮಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ನ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಮತ್ತು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ವರದರಾಜ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರ ನಾಯಕತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ದೇಶ ವಿದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆತಿಥ್ಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲವಾದ ಗುರುತಿನೊಂದಿಗಿರುವ ರಾಮಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಎಡಾ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಭಾರತದ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ನೈಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿದೆ. 7,500 ಚದರ ಅಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯ ಕೊರಮಂಗಲ ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಆಕರ್ಷಕ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು, 2 ಮಟ್ಟಗಳ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಚಿಕ್ ಮೆಜಾನೈನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಡಿಸೈನ್ವು ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ದನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಥೀಮ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾಲಿಟ್ಟ ಕ್ಷಣದಿಂದಲೇ ನೈಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ನ ಹೊಸ ಆಯಾಮವನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಗರದ ರುಚಿ, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಪಂದನವನ್ನು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಮೆನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನದಿಂದ ರೂಪಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ವೆಂಟಿವ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಫುಡ್, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ದೊರೆಯುವ ಎಡಾ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಐಟಂಗಳು ಸೇರಿವೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಬಾರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಂ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವೈಬ್ ಅನ್ನು ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಂಬಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಕಾಕ್ಟೇಲ್ಗಳು, ಪ್ಲೇಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗಳ, ಎಡಾ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಶಾಂತ ಸಂಜೆಗಳಿಂದ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ನೈಟ್ಗಳವರೆಗೆ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಪಾನೀಯಗಳು. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಂಜೆ ತೆರೆದಿರುವ ಎಡಾ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕೊರಮಂಗಲ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ನ ಭಾರತದ ವಿಸ್ತರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಆಕರ್ಷಕ ಮತ್ತು ಇಮ್ಮರ್ಸಿವ್ ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ.
We were planning this since last 2 years, but the thing is the entire building was getting done and we had to do multiple clubs, but EDA has been started. Soon we'll have another 2 clubs here soon.
That's really exciting.
Yeah.
Okay, how did you come up with the name EDA? What does it mean to you?
EDA is like Pagalpan, madness, whatever you say. Because this name was being given by our owner, Mr. Varadaraj Shetty himself.
Wow.
So he's like, I want to do something really very crazy for the people who work so hard during the day. At the night they have to do little stress free. The entire day people are working, lot of stress. So at the end when they come here they need to forget the stress and just party like a crazy.
Go crazy.
People. Yes. Let's get crazy with Edaa Republic.
Yeah, definitely. Let's have a great time.
Thank you everyone.
Hi, we are here for the Edaa Republic from Mumbai and we are so glad that it's come to Bangalore and we are doing the launch. It's a very great association.
Looking forward to many more.
Thank you so much.
Hi, how are you?
Very well, how are you?
Very good.
Welcome to Edaa Republic.
Thank you.
Well, are you excited to be here?
I party a lot, so I'm super excited to be here. And yeah, what else do you need? Such a nice place, and I've been like brought up in Bombay, so I know this place from Bombay. So I'm so excited it's come to Bangalore, and I think people who are hearing me out now should definitely come to this place because I've been to this place in Bombay and I'm excited to explore it today.
What are you looking forward to the most tonight?
So basically I'm a dancer by profession, so
wow.
I love dancing. So I think the night is going to be about dance.
Amazing. Have fun. Have a great time. Well, are you excited? Edaa Republic is finally in Bangalore after Mumbai.
Yes, very excited. I think Bangalore is getting cooler and cooler.
Oh, I bet.
Weather as well and the vibe as well.
What are you looking forward to the most tonight?
I have absolutely no clue of how the interiors look, how the ambience is. I've never been to the one in Mumbai, so very excited to check it out.
Oh, that's amazing. I hope you have a great time.
Thank you.
Have fun.
So after having been to Edaa Bombay, we were waiting anxiously for this to come to Bangalore. Delighted, happy, and let's experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bangalore is already the best place to party in India. Some say Mumbai, but I strongly disagree. So Bangalore is getting this new pub here, so something very good, and all the best for the
Edaa Republic.
Edaa Republic.
Edaa Republic ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ Edaa Republic. They have done a wonderful job. I hope they'll do well and bring in good this thing to Koramangala and to Bangalore and a good name. Thank you.
We wish Edaa Republic very happy times for everybody because it's one of the best places which I've ever seen. We wish them all the best even a sensible person will become Ada coming to Ada Republic.
Hi, I'm Rahul Shetty, fashion choreographer, actor. I'm really glad to be here after the branch in Mumbai, Juhu. I think this place will really rock. Thank you.
Good evening. Ada is a property from Bombay, and looking forward for a beautiful lounge here. And Ada means Sarpirawa, and let's see what this whole place is going to be. I wish them all the best. Congratulations.
Yes, I got a lot about the Mumbai one. This seems really nice.
You excited?
Excited? Oh yes, very much.
Have fun, enjoy.
Thanks.
How excited are you? Yera Republic is in Bangalore. I mean, come on.
Yes. So it's a nice welcome for me. I was out of the country and I'm back to Bangalore, back to my party circuit, and nice to have nice places in Bangalore open again. Wow.
How excited are you?
You'll see that when I'm inside.
That's amazing. I'll see you inside.
you.
Have fun. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to Yera Republic. So, welcome to Yera Republic.
Thank you.
How are you feeling? Yera Republic is in Bangalore, finally.
Yes. Of course, I'm coming from Mumbai. So obviously the radar in Bombay.
Right.
But congratulations to the team who got it in Bangalore. And I've especially come for my brother's birthday
Oh, wow.
to celebrate. So I think he's doing the event and I had no choice but to come and be with him because he gives his heart and soul whatever he does. And so yes, I'm here.
What's the vibe like tonight? Have you been inside?
No, I've just walked in.
Are you
right
excited?
now. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to celebrate with everyone. I meet because whenever I come, I meet all my Bangalore friends and all. So, a good place and Ada today.
Have fun, have fun. I hope you have a great time here. Yeah?
Thank you guys.
Happy to be here. How are you feeling tonight? Excited, looking forward to an amazing evening.
Yera Republic is finally in Bangalore.
Yera Republic is finally in Bangalore and I am super excited. I think it's going to be like really cool and I'm really looking forward to a really lovely evening.
Have a great time.
Thank you, darling.
I'll see you inside.
About this place Mumbai, and then coming down here in Bangalore. We already have a great pub culture. I'm sure, with Ada Republic, people are going to go Adas.
For sure, I bet.
Yeah.
So, what do you think the vibe's gonna be like inside?
I'm excited to go inside. There is a lot of hype around this. Let's see what's going to happen.
I hope you have a great time.
Thank you.
Alright, have fun.
Thank you.
Welcome to Yera Republic, Bangalore.
Thank you.
How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling great. I've just entered. I want to go inside and see what's going on.
I'm sure. But Yera Republic is finally in Bangalore.
Yes.
What about that? What are your thoughts?
Absolutely excited. A posh club like this coming to Bangalore, and we get to get the VIP guest list the first time coming here. I'm totally enjoying the vibe.
That's amazing. Have fun.